Today I want to show you this puzzle from Indiegogo. It's a campaign of CZUR. I'm not too sure what I'm getting. I hope I won't be disappointed. Okay, it's not very heavy. There's a box. Even give me something to cut it. Okay. Voila. It's called Fancy S Pro. Okay, let's have a look. Open it from here. Ooh, oh, that's nice. I can close it. So here is the main item in there, and there's a USB converter, USB A to USB C, and here's a small envelope. There's a QR code. There's a mini instruction here. Okay, I think it's not designed for old people. I can't really read it. Unpack it. This cable is attached to the device. It feels quite heavy, and I think that's good. It's stable and it feels high quality stuff. Okay, now I open it. I can fold the camera up. Here is the camera. Okay, let's try it. So now I put the camera in the normal height, and it has also a LED light, and I can adjust the brightness here, and 3 different brightness. Just give you an idea how big is the visible area. I put the camera at the moment is the normal height, and it's 16 or about 17 cm times 28-29 cm. And when I extend it, it's 19, 21, 22, and here it's about 40 cm. And just to give you an idea compared to a magazine size, I can open it, scan 2 pages, but the height is not enough. The width is okay. The only way I can do that is do it that way and use the rotation here, done this way. As you can see, there is a reflection in the middle. What I can do is I can push the camera away and tilt the camera a little bit here. Let's say do it this way. So now I got rid the reflection is over there, but I got a little bit distortion here. I can fix it with the software. Everything is okay now. What I also can do is I can tilt this up, use it as a webcam. Let's turn off the light here. Now you can see this. I can make it longer up here. But at the moment the image is upside down. I have to rotate it. And it's the normal image. For webcam I need to mirror the image. Okay, now it's a mirror image as a webcam. So that's the highest I can get. I can put it really low this way, or I can sit down this way, and I can even get it lower by tilting this up. So that's the lowest I can get. One more thing I want to show you is when I use this as a webcam, so I can turn this to a portrait format by turning this here around. So now I have to go to the rotation here. So now I'm in portrait format. I can create a mobile video. Now I'm going to do a recording and show you the quality of the camera. I'm pretending I'm going to do a presentation on the table. So that's a camera designed for that. So let's put a puzzle here. So, and move it this way. At the moment the room is very bright, so I am not using the LED light, so there's no reflection and minimum motion blur. So my verdict, I quite like it. It feels high quality. The base is heavy and it's solid. Also I like the fact that the cable is really long, 1.5 meter. And here also there's a rubber band to tie the cable. But one thing I missed is a button to activate the camera on the stand somewhere here. Because if I put my camera 1.5 meter away from my laptop, I wish I can activate the camera from here. And also have a LED indicator to see whether the camera is active when I use it as webcam. So the other thing is I'm going to show you the recorded image from this camera compared to the current camera. Okay, at the moment I'm recording with two cameras. The CZUR camera is on 1080p, although my video is only 720. I put it on the highest quality, but I noticed there's something, that the image is not quite stable, and I'm not sure whether there's something to do with the autofocus. Let me try to switch it off. Compared to other webcam image, I'm a little bit disappointed. I wish the quality is a little bit better, but at the end I'm happy with the device because it's very flexible. Although the quality is not the highest, but it's not my main camera. I will be using it for close-up recording only. So I think it will serve the purpose. I hope you find the video helpful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.